And welcome back to Pickett's Corner. On this episode, it's going to be a pretty quick one, kind of an easy fix, something that I haven't really done before. But what I'm going to be doing, working on my daily driver, my Silverado 2500, and we're going to put a new exhaust on it, some Magnaflow exhaust. Now, we're going to see what it sounds like before, what it sounds like without an exhaust, and then what it sounds like with that exhaust installed and welded and all the way back to the tailpipe. Let's get started. Have some fun. No muffler. Silverado 2500 with a Magnaflow muffler and with the stock tailpipe. Just muffler add-on and extension. So here's the install all said and done. Kind of the next day, so we ran out of light the day before. So this is a 3.5 inch exhaust on these trucks. So I ordered a Magnaflow 3.5 inch race muffler and went ahead and ordered a 24 inch extended pipe. Had to cut it down to get to fit, but kept the exhaust tubing going over the rear end and out the truck. And pretty easy install. Took me about an hour and a half. Sounds much better, as you could tell. Make my truck sound the way it kind of looks, being a little lifted with those nice wheels on it. Thank you for watching this episode of Pickett's Corner. I know it's kind of an easy one on this truck, but we're going to start doing some other things on some of the other cars that I have. And we're going to start doing some deeper and different projects and do some burnouts and get some stuff on the road. So see you next time on Pickett's Corner.